How to send Robux to friends. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to let you how to do so. So in order to do so, you can open up roblox.com first in any of your web browser and log into your account. And we do not have a direct option for it. So what we need to do is once you are in Roblox, go ahead and look out for the Create tab from the given menu at the top and open up the tab right here, create.roblox.com, and here you need to have at least one experience. If you have not had any experience or have not opened any experience yet, you can look out for create experience and create one at the moment. Now once you open it up, you can just head over. Once you open up your experience, you should be finding it like this. You can go to the left hand side menu and scroll down until you reach over and find the option called passes under monetization. Open it up here, and here we're going to create a pass. So just go ahead and create a pass here. Click on create pass and you can name your pass right here. Once you do so, you can even add up a description if you prefer. So once you add the description, you can go ahead and click on create pass option here and create a pass. Now once you create up a pass, let me just go ahead and click on this. You can click on your pass as well and go to the sales option right here and turn this option item for sale. And here you can just go ahead and enter up the Robux that you would like to send to your friend. So for example, 1000 Robux, you can just go ahead and enable the personal pricing and everything. And once it is confirmed, save changes. Now once the changes has been saved, you can go back and go to your pass section right here. So which is your pass, this one right here. So you can just go ahead and click on it and click on the three dot at the top, and you can just go ahead and copy the pass. For that, go to the pass tab, go ahead and click on the three dot beside it, and once you do, you should be finding a URL. You can just go ahead and share this URL with your friend that you're trying to send the Robux to, and Roblox with code of the 30% off and send you the remaining amount, and you can just go ahead and do so. So that is how you send Robux to your friends very easily. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.